Good morning to everyone and once again welcome to social science class. In this social science class we are going to see about the fifth book of our syllabus, that's a disaster management. We are going to see in this presentation what is disaster, how many types of disasters there, what are the mitigation steps should be there, what are the preparedness actions should be of us, we are going to see. So let's proceed. First, disaster management, topic number 1. In this presentation, we are going to see what is a disaster and types of disaster. Right? Please copy down this following points. You are at your home. This chapter is very important. Disaster management. This is the whole textbook. Out of this whole textbook, why I am discussing all this? Because on this basis you have to develop a project work which we are going to discuss in the upcoming presentation. First, disaster management. So what is disaster management? Disaster management is provided to ensure the best understanding of the topic for the student who are making project on the topic or preparing for the exam. Let's explore the topic of disaster management. What is a disaster? A disaster is a destruction, event that occurs suddenly and involve loss of life and property. Please remember student, this disaster management is very important. You are going to join the armed forces, in that you are going to do the helping work when any natural disaster will be there or a man-made or a human disaster will be there. You are going to go and going to save others' life. Suddenly and involve loss of life and property. Right? Disaster can be of two types, natural or man-made. Right? We are going to discuss about this natural and man-made in the upcoming slide. It is a sudden accident or a natural so and so. I want to explain you two types of disaster. Just we are having earthquake, flood, tsunami, right? Landslide, cloudburst, many more. These are the natural disasters. As you are knowing about that Bhopal gas tragedy, that's a human-made disaster, right? So chemical explosion or gas leaking, these types of disaster or fire explosion, right? So these are human-made disaster. Next, types of disaster. Disaster can be of two types, natural or a man-made. Natural disaster, earthquake, volcano activity, tsunami, floods, cyclone, landslide, right? And droughts are the natural disaster and man has no control over them. They are a result of natural activity and hence known as a natural disaster. Please copy down this following points. And man-made disasters, just like bomb explosion, terrorism war, civil war, leak of poisonous chemicals, right? Breach in dams, air or water pollution, industrial accident, and so on. Please copy down this following points. Types of disaster, natural disaster and man-made disasters. Next, disaster management. What is disaster management, right? So this is the disaster management points I am placing for you. Disaster management refer to the measure taken for the safety and protection of the life and property from the natural and a man-made disaster. This means being prepared for disaster, fighting disaster effectively, ensure the safety of the life during the disaster and helping in rebuilding society after the disaster. Just cyclone came, destroy each and everything, right? So after that, rehabilitation plan, after that, rehabilitation, so on. When a disaster strikes a society, external help is usually needed in the form of aid to cope with its impact. Please copy down this following points once again. So what is disaster? What is the aim of the disaster we are seeing here? That is the measure taken for the society for safety and protection of the life and property. Next, so what is disaster management? In that we are seeing here preparedness, response, recovery and mitigation, which has been shown in this form here. Please see it properly. Right? The cycle of disaster management. What is disaster management? We should prepare, and we should have a responsive, then recovery should be there and mitigation steps should be there. Right? Activities prior to a disaster, example preparedness, plan, emergency, exercise, training and warning system. That's a preparedness towards the disaster. Second, the response activity during a disaster, example public warning system, emergency operation, search and rescue operation. Recovery activities following a disaster, example temporary housing, claims processing, grants, then long-term medical care and counseling. And mitigation activities that reduce the effect of disaster, and examples are building codes and zoning and vulnerability analysis and public education towards the disaster and how we can save ourselves from the disaster. You can please copy down this. What is disaster management? Next, common techniques of disaster management. One by one we are going to see this. So these are the common techniques. The youth of the country should be encouraged to learn and practice techniques of disaster management. Education about disaster management should be imparted in the school and colleges. That's why in the school we are having the 5th book, that's a disaster management, and you are going to develop a project work on that. You are at your home, so lots of information you can collect, you can prepare easily. When you are in the school, you are stuck with the sir, I am not having the internet facility, how I am going to take the printout and so on. Number of the reasons will be there. But now you are at home, so you can have the disaster management project in a very effective way. Disaster excavation drill should be practiced in school as we are having the disaster skills training program, right? For every house we are having, prepare a first aid box which would be handy in the time of disaster. Detail of disaster management squad should be shared through the media at every corner of the country. Next, lastly I want to say thank to each and everyone. Before going for the thank you, I want to tell you about that you all should read the disaster management textbook. You can have from the internet also. You can see the different projects, how the projects are prepared. So in the upcoming presentation, I am going to show you about that, how you have to develop the project work. After that, in which way you have to write the project on A4 size paper on a full escape page, how you have to develop the project work. You can choose any topic just like cyclone, drought, earthquake, volcanic eruption, any topic, right, which is the recent topic. You are hearing every time in the news, at this area the earthquake was there, right? It was a major, minor, flood was there, cyclone was there, how the peoples were surviving. From the newspaper you can cut the photograph, you can stick to in your notebook, right, where you are preparing your project. Lastly, I want to say thank to each and everyone for watching this video. Still you feel any doubt and difficulty, please ask to me. Thanking to each and everyone. Jai Hind.